Today, our students are out in the community on MLK Day, making it a day on, not a day off. Workship is our unique community service program where it gives students the chance to respond to the human needs in our community with Christ-like action. We literally have hundreds of volunteers, both from Palm Beach Atlantic University and the Jewish Federation of Palm Beach County. Everything from gleaning vegetables that's going to go to the local food pantries to painting. We're out in the community to be a good neighbor, just like what Martin Luther King Jr. would have been doing. We're doing it in his honor.
Today, Palm Beach Atlantic students are serving in 11 different locations, and we're just so blessed to be able to be giving back.
Service has actually been a huge part of my life. I feel like you can go out in different communities and basically make a huge impact on people's lives, pretty much so. It's something that's very valuable to my heart.